What's up, y'all? You got the Ornery One here on the Ornery One channel. You're watching my YouTube, and this is me busting around Milwaukee during the 120th anniversary. That's right, 120 years of this motorcycle being out here under us. And I'm fixing to roll up here at House of Harley-Davidson, where I'm going to hang out with Custom Dynamics and Legend Suspension. You guys follow me, you know that's what I run on this thing and everything I have. I love those Custom Dynamic lightings on the chopper. It works out really well. And then we go down to the Legend Suspension. Absolutely the best pinnacle, the top of suspension, Legend Suspension. It's not only for me, it's for her pleasure too, if you know what I mean, because we ride two up all the time, although Steph is home getting things ready for Sturgis. We're doing a lot of stuff at the Buffalo Chip and everything that we got going on there at Sturgis. But back to what we got laid out in front of us. Is really cool what the house does here. They shut down a road for us. That's right, y'all. So they won't let cars go past this point here. This is just for us, the cool kids. I'm gonna try to get up here because this is where my sponsors are, right up in here. So if I need to get to the bike, I can. A little easier. Them little boys coming right through there. Oh, there. Okay, so this is kind of where I park, up here. But you just find you a place in your pocket. You pack your bagger. No bagger. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, just take your time, y'all. I see some Custom Dynamics right there. Woo! Those look good. Well, got a little bit of a curve I might deal with. I'm not going to roll on out there. I'm going to leave a little space between me and this fella. I mean, I just don't really... Yeah, that's too much space. I shouldn't be that big of a prick. There we go. Once again, here we are at House of Harley-Davidson. And I'm going to take this thing off here and get in there and hang out with everybody. All right.
Blaze AntiFog, bro.
What is it?
Blaze AntiFog for the glasses. Keeps your glasses from fogging up. All you gotta do is just apply it on.
Yeah.
Rub it till it dries, gets tacky to the touch.
That's what she said.
And then polish it off.
No, that's it?
That's it. So.
I mean, you can't deny it. Especially I gotta trust you with that picture I had on.
Hell yeah. Love Arkansas.
What the? No shit. Crystal clear.
Right?
I feel, damn, I think I can see through people's clothes. My God, what is this?
After a few beers. So I got 3 different ways to apply it on. Only one that's different is our paste with the scratch filler. The dropper is going to be your travel bottle for on the bike, glasses, goggles, rifle scopes, all that good shit. And then the spray is going to be for your larger surfaces, your windshields and visors.
Right on, man. That's badass. So how excited are you?
All right, love it.
You really excited or just kind of?
really excited.
Gonna make a difference.
I said, coffee. We could use another coffee.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice, man.
And it's like I still like the video. It's not bad.
Looks good.
It looks amazing. See those blinkers again. button. Okay, right over there is where we're going to the museum, Harley-Davidson Museum, where they're having the 20th anniversary. That never rolls off my tongue. 120th anniversary. I just want to say 120 Anna. So, on. Traffic has been, well, traffic. There's probably a lot of you that are watching this video and you're like, yeah, I know, I've been there and done it, and I have the t-shirt and a poker chip, but there may be some of you that are watching that never have been here. You may be looking up this video about the 120th. So here's to all you that haven't been here and haven't seen the roads around here. Not only the rally, but places to stay, places to eat, the other dealerships that are all out and about. Wisconsin, House of Harley, Suburban. Those are the ones I'm going to be at right now. Like I said, I'm heading down to the museum. And just down the road, as you can see, is you can head right into Chicago. Anyway, I need to exit on 1H. So this is downtown. Now we're getting down in here, right? Milwaukee. The birthplace of the Harley-Davidson motorcycle. But I would challenge you to come even if you're not riding a Harley-Davidson, because it's just really cool history. So fuck the brands, it's about riding a motorcycle, right? So come down here and enjoy the history of motorcycles. Oh yeah, here we go now. Alright, I am road closed. I don't know why they would say it's closed to me. I don't see a light. I don't know. I'm going. I'm gonna pop my, oh, this is it, so it's over here to the left. Holy crap. I mean, last year I was here, they were just all parked down here. But I mean, look, all parked out in the road. These little turds coming up beside me. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, they've got live wires. They're allowed to, because they are conscious of the universal spread and the outsourcing of pollution. Sorry, little rant. Holy fudge. I don't even know what cars are down in here, to tell you the truth. Wow, just shit ton of people. My God, man. I'll get over here so I can get on the phone a little bit. Unbelievable. Just bikes all the way up through there. I'm zooming up through there. Unbelievable. Woo-wee. I'm just ready to turn around and leave. I'm like, fuck this shit. Okay, don't be wailing. Okay, dokie. Oh, they don't tell me they're charging. Okay. God, this is just alright. Ugh.
Magic Birthplace.